This one sweet my belly. The Yahoo boy. They go colopi another Yahoo. I won't call him colleague. Colleague. Yeah, Yahoo boy go colopi another colleague. Colleague. If Yahoo boy now work, so they na colleague now.
They be colleague now.
Baba, how far artist now?
My brother,
my colleague.
Yes, so our office.
He do. You don't. We go call the talk.
But now, I know. He asked me.
You know, say
I don't do the work. Do which will try it.
You say you try.
And then he work not finish. I go appreciate mechanical.
No, I say that you no pick when you start that.
Waiting no pick. Now beans. If they select beans.
They thought that time.
Now beans. We go need to ask about pick beans.
No, but that time they tell me say no pick. I be tell you
say no pick.
Wait, tell me say Stephen. Wait, tell me say Stephen coming to say make you teach.
Stephen, who is Stephen?
One guy with the duenia.
No, but when they say food stuff for me, name na fine.
Fine.
Now why be boy? If they say that, and I like to know him beans well. That will know him beans.
Yeah, that's the first name na Stephen.
Now you know the way they talk.
All right, so
give us the story.
Yahoo boy colopi another Yahoo boy because my bros after the colopi, you know how they do it now. Once Yahoo boy don't the money can't enter. Maybe they make like I'll tell you the money they make, but in collect like 91% giving guys. 9%. They make others go share 9%. He carry full 91%. Ogun State Police Command I go rescue this Yahoo boy with a colopi from other Yahoo boys. Yahoo Boys Association go colopi one of the Yahoo boy. We name na Aaron Osman. But Police Command for Ogun State don't go help him. He chop plenty out of the money way they make. We feel call their business money or their result. 2.2. Now you go give guys in. And they make 26 million, over 20, almost 27 million. Bros come out 2 million, says. And I say person they give out 27 million, call group of people, maybe they go share 2 million. He might carry like 20, how much will that? 24 million come out, over 24 million. So now the matter we did there, so Yahoo boy kidnap Yahoo boy. Because Yahoo boy, you know say wetin you do there now Yahoo.
You show the streets.
All of them do. They run them. All of them do Yahoo. No, you can't do Yahoo.
Why you them?
Wow! Say you never do Yahoo before. I don't feel believe.
I don't understand.
No, as in say you know, as in it don't come. You don't drop.
That one no be better. Which kind, my brother?
Okay, sorry, you know do am before.
Wait, I don't even know what they talk. Yeah. But this
Yahoo matter.
This
Yahoo matter because some they listen when they say they want click now as they hear Yahoo they don't
see.
I mean that.
You know one thing about this country? No call is spade.
Wow.
No talk true.
Wow.
Is it this thing? Some people don't take a like their profession, like their work, their calling.
Yahoo easy.
To the point where they say, we they see them. Then they even for our streets they glorify them.
They will say, you want to spend agba pika. Yes,
just make money. People don't want to know
you. People love
you. Make money and you are love. And they say that money is money that the root of all evil. Now you not the love of the money.
Okay, so no be the money.
No, money not the root of all evil. Give me, you know, feel corrupt me. If you like, you all make money and say this boy, you took the suffer, see your shriek, you don't die, see your baby full everywhere. Tell me 50 million. My brother, I'll tell you thank you.
Wow.
I'm not going to change.
Una the see price.
If not lie, try me.
Una the see.
If not lie, no.
Yes, he give you 50 million, you just say thank you.
No,
give me 50 million. Whether I will not wash your house. Not what full house.
But this guy, there's a white pan.
Which one?
That code.
Which one?
The person will collect the money first.
Okay.
We can't give a fellow colleague
2.2 million.
I don't be sure say that money reach 2.2.
No, you reach 2.2. Because then calculate what he sent to them.
Inside 26, you can't give the 2.2. See me they go share. He won't call 24 million. No be greed with that.
Wow.
My brother.
All right, the guy na smart guy. He be like one of our guys, Larry. Larry, if you do that kind of thing. Larry. Larry, if you do that, guys. All right, we'll go this last story where we get so. They say these two teenagers. This one another story we be say go jo. But I want to talk am because I notice say people now they do anything for money. The Yahoo boys with them catch. I don't know where they are. How they want to take sort their matter. Because one Yahoo guy kidnap another Yahoo guy, can't go report to police. Police can't go kidnap, go help them rescue the Yahoo boy. All of them together, they're supposed to pack them, don't put them inside somewhere, take care, rehabilitate them. But that money, I didn't make them send out to me, my job keep them because normally for my life, I dey help people keep money, use them for waiting, then thief am for. No, waiting they make them.
If they give you, make you keep them. Waiting go. Me wait say, make them try me. What do you call expect?
Okay, now waiting they mean me that make them try.
They try me, make them send the money, give me.
Okay, make them try.
And see what I'll use and do.
Wow.
I go invest them properly for them.
Wow.
You understand?
You're welcome.
I
don't give you two. We don't need two. Now, like person will see money for floods. Hey, imagine say hey, this one at 2 million. How much you go give me? Because
imagine.
Or did they imagine?
For imagination.
For imagination. You see people they feel beat each other. Two Lagos teenagers, small girls, go sell their kidney, liver for 200,000 naira. Two of them for Ogun State. Waiting job prepare me for this matter and say 100,000 naira each night and pay them for one Redwood Specialist Hospital at Belkuta Ogun State. Now there for the thing for happen. They say these girls, them be 17-year-old, 17. One are Precious Ikechukwu, daughter of one pastor, Bishop Ikechukwu Umiayo, the founder of one church. I will just have the church name, meetings for balance. But they say the church, they are not pacha. They say the Papa Secretary, 19-year-old Teresa Obam. Now, two of them go this place, go do operation. Say they go give them 100,000 per one. Now, these two people, church member, now you can carry them go. Mrs. Blessing Adeleke. In carry them, say this one they call their prayer vigil well, so she can't carry them, go see them, go pay them well. But after this whole thing don't happen, everywhere can they paint them, their parents no even can't know. He say if they tell them, if those two girls tell either of their parents, saying she go kill them. But how the secret judge they come on and say September 12, 2022, Precious can begin to vomit. So as they vomit, now people come wonder, say, Papa come wonder, say, what they do, and they carry go hospital, they say, rather than typhoid, I mean, malaria. But after they come, they treat and doctor come, they say, this thing don't pass, be careful, me they go do medical tests. After they do medical tests, now they come review, say, where should they take a more sheet from, and where our private parts, everywhere does scatter. Blessy the job harvest them anyhow. Now then they can't even know waiting really happen. When they can begin their full things, they carry them go one hospital for Surulere, Lagos. Now then they can refer them go one medical lab, do test here, they can't even say liver, bladder, kidney, different things, ovaries, eggs, about 46 ovaries. Now they come out from this small girl's body. For 100,000 naira each, they don't spoil their intestinal living corpse. Them be normal things where people go dey normal sickness where person fit get use drug take heal. You no fit heal that kind of thing because they don't scatter there. Now when the woman wey carry them go na sharp woman, she don't make them go sign waiting. They don't know waiting them type for them. And they advise people, not be everything you see, say they say, we are sign here. You say, say 2 million, you go sign. No, say now your life they want destroy. So they say, they harvest them, waiting they can't sign, then sign and say, then pass 18 years old. Say they allow the doctor, for that document, say, now professional doctor do them, the process still legal, nobody cajole them, nobody force them. Say na normal way they take come out. So now they no get liver, they no get this and they ovaries, they come pack. It's like say na container just the waka for road. Talk with because I know to get time for you.
Man, you see this matter, na very painful one. Like you talk, this one a big advice, especially to parents.
Parents and
especially talk. Every day we go to hit them on the head because if we don't talk am, we don't know how else we go to pass the message. Parents need to look out, not just to provide for your pikin. Get one-on-one personal relationship with them.